kanila, sa mga hindi po sumusuporta nagprotesta dito kanina?
Yes, sir. I have been always respectful of the right of a person to freedom of speech and expression. When I was mayor, I never suppressed the Makabayan bloc sa kanilang mga gusto sabihin sa aming mga daan. So, you can check what happened in Davao City when I was mayor.
Ay, taga Davao
Ako ang number one kontra sa kanila, but I never suppressed their right to freedom of speech and expression. I do not agree with them, but that is their right. Kasi lagi naman natin sinasabi, di ba, na you cannot control what they will say about you, but you can control how you react to what they say about you.
Madam!